So Daniel, I'm a spiritual seeker. Why should I take the Awakening the Illuminated Heart course?
Well, I really believe nowadays Awakening the Illuminated Heart workshop, it is really the most important workshop for humanity for different reasons. First, it is an experiential workshop that comes after thousands of years of our humanity going through different stages. And I would say, unfortunately, after thousands of years of creation from the brain. So after so much struggle and tears, eventually we arrive at the end of this, I would say, male energy cycle, where we are able to give humanity a workshop where each person, regardless of the spiritual preparation or regardless of what they are doing, they can literally go inside, they can move from the brain to the heart, and they can start to really do things from the heart, create from the heart. Very important, very, very important. And at the same time, it is the only workshop on this planet today which basically is working the light body, the heart Merkaba, right? The activation of the light body, the Merkaba, the heart Merkaba, the work of the sacred geometry inside of the human body. So from this perspective, I would say something really unique. So regardless of whatever you are doing, whatever you plan to do, it is good if you schedule to do an Awakening the Illuminated Heart workshop.
So you said that the earth is moving into a feminine energy. What do you mean by that?
Well, obviously, if you analyze from astronomical point of view, our planet moved already in the other, not 13,000, less than 13,000, it's like 12,965 years. So, which means basically, we are now in a completely different energetically structure. Now, for humanity, this changes dramatically. And even if we do not change, and we see a lot of places, they still keep the male energy and all these things that they are doing, well, I would say it is not a choice. So basically, we are now in this energy where scheduling and programming, it's not working. You really have to be ready. And look at the business world. The companies that are ready for a change, the companies that are ready for expressing a new paradigm inside of their team, these are the successful companies. Look at the R&D, research and development departments. If they are not able to be flexible and to change right now, right here, it's not working.